My name is Dirk Kramer. This is EDU 528, week 2.1 graded assignment. For this assignment, we were asked to calculate transportation costs of two programs in our athletic program. Today I chose to do our baseball travel budget and our softball travel budget. Kind of what we've learned from week one's transportation director interview. Here at Central Christian College, we have four means of transportation that we are allowed to take for travel for our away events. And those are our charter bus, 15 passenger vans, school car, or we also have the capability of renting 15 passenger vans from a local dealership. Our charter bus will cost you, your program, 90 cents per mile. Our 15 passenger vans will cost you 45 cents per mile per van. And our school cars will cost you 35 cents per mile per car. And again, our school has a policy where if we are using 15 passenger vans and traveling outside the state of Kansas, we are required to rent vans. This is a way for us to keep our personal vans at lower mileage and also minimize wear and tear on those vehicles. We've fortunately worked a deal with the local rental company dealership here in town that we get 15 passenger vans for $125 a day per van. So it's a pretty good deal to drive a little bit newer van on some of these trips that are a little bit out of the state. But as you can see on the budget here, I included the date section, the opponent section, and the location. And then you can also see where if the program did take the charter bus, there will be the 90-cent fee in that section. For the vans and cars and rentals, I also included a section for the number of rentals. This kind of just is a way to help figure out how many vans or car or rentals that each program took for their trip. So as you can see, baseball takes the charter bus a little bit more than the softball program, just due to size of roster and needing a little bit more room. But when we do baseball, when baseball does take the 15 passenger vans, they usually travel with two at least. So that's what gets you that 90 cents a mile. And what we do is literally just take the mileage. So for example, the first trip is 680 miles. And we'd multiply that by whichever vehicle they took. For this example, baseball took the charter bus, so that'd be 90 cents. So that gets you a round trip total of $612 for that budget or that trip. Each one of these comes out of each program's operational budget. So you can kind of see, again, as a small college, our travel's a little bit further than some high schools or most high schools. So you can kind of see our total for baseball is over $5,000 for travel, and then softball is over $3,000 in travel. I also wanted to put the combined travel budget at the bottom, since these are both spring sports for us. Kind of gives you an idea of two sports in the spring of what their budget could be for just travel, and that would be $8,765 for both of those combined. Again, I felt that this spreadsheet was an easy way to track where they're traveling, how far they're traveling, and what vehicles they take throughout the year. Again, can also be an advantage for the following year when you're looking at what time of year you took what, and how many maybe rental vans that the school needs to make sure that they get reserved for the spring so every program has the opportunity to travel safely. So this is my spreadsheet and for my graded assignment for this week. Thank you.